So there you have it, guys, our egg muffins looking all kinds of yummy. Hello everybody, we are back with another one. Can you guess what we're making today? Chongas, namaqanda appas, and spinach, and cheesy as per usual. I pause, and I have some diced bacon. Appas in feta. Over here, plum tomatoes. Hey, is it plum tomatoes or is it rosa? Doesn't matter. Anyways, and then spring onions, and then some black pepper and country herbs. And we've got our pan over here, so we are making some egg muffins, and we're doing 2 different flavors today. So let's get right into it, guys. Do not forget to subscribe and on i6 jumbo size. Otherwise. So over here, for those of you that don't understand, I've got me some 6 jumbo eggs in here, and I've cut up some pieces of garlic, as you can see. I hope you guys can see it. I'm just gonna mix it up. So we're gonna add some black pepper to the mix. Flavor. Tell you that again, I guess. So spices on my thing. Spices on my thing. And then again, what is our other country herbs? Yes, the Italian herbs are actually much better, if I must say so myself. As like Italian herbs is like, wow, Robertson's. I don't know, man. The flavor is just different. Tanda zona nje aqalisebenzisa is so ke sabona ba zophuma njani yonke lento. Sabona izawuthini the egg muffins. So you mix it all up, and as you can see, everything has come together. All about flavor. And then we're gonna bring this bad boy over here. It's made of silicone, which will make it much easier to take out the muffins. Actually, I'm not gonna add like butter or anything to it because it's not necessary. Well, I'm sweet. That was way too much. Okay, I hope you guys can see. And then and then tata choose them. So the other one is a cheese and bacon with spring onion. Like I said, we're making it 2 ways, so 2 different flavors. You guys know me already. I'm a fan of the cheese. I'm a huge fan of cheese. And then we're gonna add our diced bacon into the mix. Whoa, that's a huge ass piece, eh? I actually should have started with the bacon, yes. But it makes no difference who you are. As ndifuna nje ukuthi make sure bayonke lento iyadibana, yes, ayingene. Funa ukuthi make it the sure. I need to make sure bayangena zadibana. Add a little bit more cheese because I can. Then I'm gonna add some spring onions to the mix. Just a little bit. Just a little bit, not a lot. Some spring onions, yeah? Oh my god, your accent sucks. I know. Sorry, forgive me, I know. Again, just make sure everything is coming together. Ish, I think there's way too much eggs. That's because what's gonna happen, it's gonna put them all in the oven. So there you have it. Bacon, cheese, spring onion. Dunnies. And we're gonna add our spinach. Some greens. Hello, do you hear me? Am I getting through you? Hello? Ndim kwakhona. Alubuza man. Then we're gonna add feta. Okay, and this cuttish up must be perfect. Just break it up in pieces, man. Oh, this one doesn't have enough eggs, but maybe this one is gonna come out much better than the others. So guys, you add J with love, otherwise measurements wise. It's up to you, hey? It's up to you and your pan and your god. Then we're gonna add our rosa or plum. These are plum tomatoes, man. I'm sure. Add J to top it up. I say cutie, I ain't in a color. So there you have it, guys. Some egg muffins. The other one is spinach, feta, and plum tomatoes. So do preheat your oven at 180 degrees, and then you're gonna leave it in there for like 15 minutes. Just it's safe to say that like leave it in there for 15 minutes. So yeah, let's do that. So there you have it, guys. Our egg muffins looking all kinds of yummy and all kinds of good. I'm pretty pleased. So we'll catch you guys on the next one. Keto Breakfast Ideas 101. I should do a whole series of these. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Mwah.